I thank God for today, and I thank God for making it possible for all of us to be alive up to this day. So today, I want to talk about what really happened to Untouchable and Soniaofficials. You know, these two people have something in common that I want to explain things to everyone so that we can learn a lesson from what happened to Untouchable and what happened to Soniaofficial. I hope you guys remember Soniaofficials, the lady that went on they went to do family liberation somewhere, and the witchcraft woman blows some powder on her eyes and she got blind. Remember? Okay. And now, you know, Untouchable, the one that is going on now, Untouchable that went to, help a lady too, and along the line, Untouchable touch offer, which make Untouchable has a partial stroke somehow. So I want to tell everyone what exactly that happened and why it happened and how we can be able to avoid things like that. So that thing that happened to Untouchable keep people thinking and they asking a lot of questions. Why did this happen to Untouchable, and why did he get affected? Okay, now I want to explain this in a language that all of us will understand, in a simple language. I will permit me, guys, to use English on this particular explanation because a lot of my family here doesn't understand Igbo. So because of that, I will try as much as I can to speak in English that I know that everybody understands. Okay, so hello ladies and gentlemen. So now we're talking about Untouchable now. So now what happened to Untouchable is this. When you go, Untouchable have a call to be helping people, Chukwu ji ala atọ ndị mmadụ na-agbụ mana ịma na ekere ọrụ eke, like his kind of call, he's not supposed to destroy shrines. O kwesịrị ka ọ mara limit ọ ga-eje. Untouchable, whenever you want to do something, when you get to that location, always pray. I know that you fast. I believe that you fast. So always fast, always pray. At least 7 days. Do fasting and prayer with midnight prayers. And also, when you get to that location, pray first. Commit everything in the hands of God first before you start walking. So what happened to Untouchable that fateful day? It's not something that somebody did. Like, it's not that somebody do that thing to Untouchable. No, it's not a setup either. Nobody did this to Untouchable, and it's not a setup. And it's not even the man, that particular man. It's not him that did it to Untouchable. See what happened to Untouchable. Listen very carefully. What happened is that Untouchable went there as a normal way, Ojalolo. But what Untouchable did not know is that that particular spot is a shrine. For the fact it's a shrine, it's not Untouchable's position to spoil or to destroy a shrine. People that spoil shrines is people that was called for shrine purposes. Like powerful men of God, powerful men and women of God that was called since. And when you get to the location you are going to walk, always pray also. Don't just go there and start walking without praying. So always put yourself in the hands of God first. So listen, see what happened to Untouchable. It's not anybody's make. This is just watch. You will see that Untouchable, there is a, you see, that is awful. All that awful. So is the offer that Untouchable touched? Did you see that? Is the offer that he touched that strike him? You can see that the man was telling him, don't touch it, don't touch it. Do you understand? Okay, look at that. Is that offer? You see the offer there? You see, he started, that's a shrine. He's not supposed to touch shrine. You see the offer now, he carried the offer. That's the offer that happened. That's what happened to him. Do you understand now? So, is the offer that he touched. You cannot touch offer if you are not ready for it. You cannot just go to shrine and start destroying shrine. You can destroy things that a native doctor did to somebody that the person kept in the house, like the person kept it in the house, or an occultic man, or a witchcraft woman. Ihe ha mere, things ha mere, demeni mulo ha. This hammer for people where the men all yaki when he can Untouchable when he can destroy la free. He destroy those kind of things. So wonder how God get my effect or what they get one. But he was shrine for crying out loud. Shrine I would he adjust to Jemma because Mbachu to a solo and Napudi for crying out loud. Oh, Brike can give up who. So before in a handle, you have already surrendered your life to Jesus Christ. You have entered covenant with Jesus, and you have fasted for a long period of time. It's not something that you can. Okay, let's use Ebuka. You see, people carry things native doctors did for them to Ebuka. In the church, in the ministry there, right? Okay, now the people surrender that with their own willingly, like they decided to do that. So right now, when they take it to the church, they are the one that take it willingly to the church. If Ebuka destroy it, it will not be anything. That's likewise what Untouchable do. Untouchable can destroy those things like that, and go scot-free. But shrine, you cannot go destroy shrine. You have not seen Ebuka going to destroy shrine. Before you destroy shrine, you make sure that you are equipped for shrine. People that destroy shrines have, like, they are called to do that, and they are ready for it. They have been ready for it. If you are not ready to destroy shrine, don't destroy shrine. And you see people, the people that surrender those organ to Ebuka's ministry, immediately then Ebuka will pray on it and say, go and bala the thing. People are just buy oku. How buy oku or an issue or got them anything because on Kahu ogwa wenye and then you for like or shrine direct. So that one and we're power at all. Rather, on your game affect one would mad. So that all they can hear. We hear Untouchable name, all they can hear Ebuka name. You got Rana, Ebuka na he Jenna shrine, Jenny be a shrine. Because all man a shrine weekend. Shrine weekend because then when he can adequate and when a higher power. Shrine when he can quensu, he can ike nọ at the shrine. So you can't just go to shrine, start spoiling it or start destroying it. You must equip yourself with fasting and prayer for a long period of time and make sure that you have call to do things like that. So that's what happened on Untouchable's case. And immediately this thing happened, there is something that Untouchable is supposed to do immediately, even if not Untouchable, because now Untouchable don't even have like he don't know what is going on right now. It's people around Untouchable supposed to do that thing. But the thing is that who will do it to Untouchable, and who will tell Untouchable or people around Untouchable what to do? You see, what Untouchable supposed to do? I know what he's supposed to do, but I can't just say it on the air. Somebody's supposed to call me so I can tell the person on the phone what to do. And it's getting out of hand because delay is very, very dangerous. All those while, that's when that thing is supposed to happen immediately. You're supposed to do that thing. And if you do it, that thing will not be affecting Untouchable like that. Do you understand now?